Hello students. So as we know all the formulas of cube, cuboid and cylinder, let's do exercise 11.3. So let's do question number 1. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box require the lesser amount of material to make? Whenever you are asked about the material, you will use the total surface area or the lateral surface area. Okay. So you have to think about what you need to put, which formula you need to put. Okay, so for solving question number 1, we are given first cuboid. First cuboid length is 60 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeter and height is given as 50 centimeter, right? So what is the total surface area of the cuboid? Twice of LH plus LB plus BH. Okay. On solving, put all these values. 60 multiply 50, 60 multiply 40 plus 40 multiply 50. Okay. Let's solve this. 50 into 60, that is 3000 plus 60 multiply 40, that is 2400 plus 40 multiply 50 is 2000. On adding, we get 5000, 7400. If I multiply 2 with it, this will be the area, total surface area of the cuboid. That means this material, this area of material we need to make this cuboid. Okay, let's do the same process for the second cuboid. Okay, so second cuboid is given as length is 50 centimeter, breadth is 50 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. Right? So let's put all these values here. Length is 50 into 50 plus 50 into 50 plus 50 multiply 50. 2500 plus 2500 plus 2500. Okay. So within the bracket we will get 7500 and out of the bracket there is 2. On multiplying this we will get 15,000 centimeter square. So the area for that first cuboid was 14,800 centimeter square. So which cuboid needs lesser amount of material? Definitely the cuboid 1. Okay, let's do question number 3. So question number 3 is find the side of cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Question number 3 says surface area of cube is 600 centimeter square, but we know that surface area of cube is 6 into side square, right? So on putting these two equations, suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, on putting these equation equal, that is 6 into side square is equal to 600 centimeter square. Okay, this 6 is multiply, when it will shift to the right hand side it will get into the divide. So side square will be equal to 600 centimeter square divided by 6. We will get side square is equal to 100 centimeter square. Okay, now side is equal to under root of 100 centimeter square. On solving this, we will get side is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so the side of this cube, which is having surface area 600 centimeter square, is 10 centimeter. Okay, let's do question number 5. Okay, Daniel is painting the wall and ceiling of the cuboid. Okay, cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height. So length, breadth and height are given as 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter. From each can he can paint 100 meter square. He has some cans and he can paint 100 meter square with one can. Okay, how many cans of the paint she need to paint the room? Okay, cuboidal room. So Daniel needs to paint this cube shape room. Okay, she want to paint this room around the wall, all the 4 walls and the ceiling, right? So what will be the which formula you will apply? You will apply the lateral surface area. Why? Because 4 sides need to be painted and only one ceiling. So total area will become lateral surface area plus area of ceiling, right? Okay, let's do step by step. So lateral surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2HL plus B, right? 2, what is the height? That is 7. L is 15. Breadth is 10. Okay, let's solve this. This is 25. This is 14. On multiplying, we will get 25 4 ja 100, carry 10, 25 in 25, 25 plus 10, 35. So this is meter square. Okay, so lateral surface area of the cuboid is 350 meter square. Now area of ceiling. Area of ceiling, only this area. This is rectangular. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so length is, what is the length? 15. In breadth is 10. On solving, we will get 150 meter square. Okay, so we get the lateral surface area and the area of the ceiling. Now add all these. So total area to be painted is equal to lateral surface area of cuboid plus area of ceiling. Okay, so lateral surface area of the cuboid was 350 meter square. Okay, and the area of ceiling was 150 meter square, right? On solving, we will get 500 meter square. One thing which has given, that is 100 meter square needs one can, right? So 500 meter square needs how many cans? 5 cans. So answer will be 5. 5 cans are needed to paint this 4 walls and the ceiling. Okay, let's move to the 7th question. Question number 7. So question number 7 is based on the cylinder. A closed cylinder tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from steel of metal. How much sheet of the metal is required? Okay. So question number 7, that a closed cylinder is need to be made from a sheet, and the height of the cylinder is given as 7 meter, and the radius of the tank, this is given as 3 meter. Okay, so for finding the material, I already told you what you need to find out. You need to find out total surface area, right? So total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. Okay, on putting the values 2 pi, what is the r is 3, and r is 3 also, h is 7. On solving we will get 2 multiply 22 by 7 multiply 3 into 10. Sorry, the height is 3 and radius is 7. Height is 3 meter and radius is 7. Okay, so here we will put 7. On solving we will get 7, will cancel with the 7. 44 multiply 10, that is 440 meter square will be the material which is required to make this cylinder. So this was your 11.3, which is based on the surface area, literal surface area of the cube, cuboid and cylinder.